What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is Thursday, August 17th, and this is the um, morning time frame. This is the ES September contract 2000 tick chart. And yeah, so this is what the market looked like when I opened it up. You can see the past 3 days on the market where overall have been going down. The days have been like really choppy, kind of ranges into like a downtrend, but overall we are still trading down. That's what the that's what the vibe has been recently. But yeah, it's been going down, and I'm gonna open up today. You can see it looks like it's shooting up a little bit with some jagged movements. But yeah, so let's get it sped up here. I'll get into the day. I did make some trades today. I made 3 trades. I probably shouldn't have made 3, but that is what I did today. I made 3 trades. Got over our little fear block, but yeah, I made some trades today. But let's get into it. So opening up, speed it up now. Um, I noticed it was going up, so I'm already thinking uptrend maybe today. I know on the daily chart it like broke down, it broke through like this channel of resistance, so maybe we're seeing some strong push up for the morning. So I'm kind of immediately thinking bullish already, um, but also like it was kind of confusing. It was kind of confusing because we have been going down each day. Each of these past days opened in what like a trading range in the morning, so it's hard to tell like where exactly it was going. But this is the my trend channel that I initially had going in an uptrend, so I'm already thinking bullish, but we have a break in the channel right there. So now I'm maybe expecting a new high, but um, we never really get that new high. We never really get that new extreme. We just get a straight break in the channel, and yeah, from there it really never looked back to that new extreme or that channel. At least that's how it was for the morning. It might have done that later on in the morning, but I got on for my hour and a half, and then I dipped out for the gym. But I did make some trades, and I'll get we'll get to there soon. But it just from here it really never made a new high. It just kind of sheeshed out right here a little bit. Um, Went down, tried to push up, then got flat out rejected. The market was moving pretty consistently, pretty fast, but it never made that new extreme. So now I'm thinking maybe we're getting a reversal because we got 3 new lows in a row. You can see there's one from the top and then the second one, each one lower than last. So now I'm thinking maybe it's a larger downtrend at play here. Also, I was fixing my settings, but but yeah, uh, fixing my settings to make it look a little nicer, in my opinion. But yeah, so here we go. I'm gonna slow it down here because I'm getting into my first trade of the day. I believe this was a lower high I took. It just seemed like a perfect trade to get into. I have that fat bar right there. Um, my thing glitched out and it stopped, and then it just immediately entered me. I was like, oh shoot, okay. But yeah, I entered this lower high. I like this. I like this one because it's also kind of a second entry failure and a lower high right off the EMA. Big fat bar. You can see previously too that that's the first down leg. So I'm maybe expecting a double legged correction, a double move there, and yeah. So I was like, you know what? I like that trade. I'm gonna take it. See what happens. Fortunately for us, it pans out, and I start the day off with a nice win. Fortunately, couldn't get the runner. I drew my stop loss for the runner to break even, and it broke even. But then literally right after it hit my break even, it dropped. So I was like, well, okay, that's fine, whatever. But that was my first trade of the day. Lower high. I thought it was pretty good. Lower high, also second entry. Failed second entry long. I like that trade, so I took it. And that marked a new kind of downtrend. Maybe there's a larger one at play, but I rolled with that one, and yeah. So from here on out, it dipped down quite significantly. Well, not really, but it went down to the midline, hit that midline. We got some nice resistance off that midline, some volatility in the market too. Um, from here now I'm thinking, okay, I don't know what it's doing, because we got a nice little downtrend. We got a double leg move right there. Pretty much actually measured that move to the bottom right there, and then it shot up from that midline from the day. And now I'm like, okay, there's a lot of congestion, just a lot of indecisiveness. We got another move up too. We got a double leg up. So I wasn't really, I was kind of confused on like what to take here, but I did mess up here. I read this wrong, and I shouldn't have gotten into this next trade here. Here I thought it was a nice second entry, but it is not a good second entry, guys. The signal bar was fat, but I realized that this is in the middle of a range in congestion, and it wasn't prime. Also, I entered 2 ticks above my signal bar. If I would have entered 1 tick lower, I would have scalped out my contracts, but I didn't, and it's ended up stopping me out. So, it's all good. It's all good because you live and you learn. Make sure you do 1 tick above your signal bar. I did 2 ticks on accident, and it literally went one tick away from getting my target, and then it just sheeshed out from there and stopped me out. But it's okay. It's okay because it's a learning opportunity, and also that was just not a good spot, because then I realized this is it's in the making of a range right here, and there's just a lot of congestion. I don't know why I really entered that spot. I should have analyzed it further. But now looking back, I can see why I did it, but at the same time, I know why I shouldn't do it next time, because it just wasn't a good spot, and there wasn't all the contours didn't line up. It just wasn't a high probability setup, the one where you're trying to look for. So I didn't take it. Almost revenge traded, but I didn't. I was like, okay, what am I doing? I took a break. I took a little break. I was like, okay, I need to step away. I need to recollect my thoughts, my processes, and I stepped away for a bit, and then I came back and tackled on the next trade. I made 3 trades today, but I'm trying to shoot for 2 trades. I wanted to do 2 winning trades, but we went 2 for 1, guys. This next trade I took. I forgot why I took this one. This was it was off the top of the ranges. So I knew it was going to go down, kind of like a triple test off the range, and got a fat bar going down, a lot of momentum going down. So I took that, pretty much triple test. If you draw a line from the top of that range, tested it 3 times, and then all 3 times it went down from that resistance and hit my 4 ticks. And then unfortunately, again with the runner, I couldn't get it because I pulled it down to my break-even point, and then it stopped my runner out again. And but yeah, we broke even. So today we pretty much broke even. So two winning trades, 1 losing trade. Broke even, like money wise, but that's honestly, I'll take that for not trading for I don't know. I think I posted like 3 or 4 videos without trades, but like that's how it is. You can't expect to make a trade every day. I mean, you can, but like for me, I'm still learning, so analysis is huge for me. And so there's some people that are saying like, oh, don't post videos without trades. It's like, well, why? I think it's good because you still learn the market, and you still are able to analyze it, and you can still see what I'm doing, and then also what I'm seeing. And then I like getting feedback from other people, it's nice, which I think it's good. So that's why I still post videos, regardless if I make a trade or not. But yeah, so that was pretty much it, guys. From here on out, it kind of just fizzled out, still in this kind of range, and that eventually did dip through the range and break it. But yeah, from there on out, I didn't make any more trades. Hit 5 o'clock, and then I got off because I go to the gym right at 5 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, so overall, I'd say today was pretty decent. Still got a lot of work to do. Got a lot to overcome, a lot to learn still, a lot to refine. But I hope everybody has a blessed day. Everybody who did trade got some good moves, got some good trades in the day. I'll leave my recent video here on the left side, and then I'll leave my subscribe button right here. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Just get more videos like this, and me continuing my journey. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch everybody in my next video for tomorrow, which is going to be Friday. So yeah, I'll catch everybody in the next one. Peace.